Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change app icon badges in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. First of all, see here what is app icon badge. Go to the home screen and see here in Vivo icon this badge number badge is showing, that is one is rounded over the corner. Okay, so here also one is showing. Okay, so that means one notification it has. Okay, and I go to, so no other apps are showing notifications, so only these two have notification, and that notification icon has numbers over it. Okay, that means if it is one, that means one notification is received for this Vivo icon, and if 2 is showing, that means 2 number of notifications have been received. Okay, you can understand from the icon badge number here. Okay, so if you would like to change this icon badge to other option, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is go to the settings of your phone here, then go to lock screen and wallpaper and go to home settings, and here click on app icon badges. It is already set to numbers. Okay, if you would like to use other option dots, choose first one. Now go to home screen and see the changes. Only dot will be showing, okay, over the app icon badge. Okay, and again I go to settings, then go to lock screen and wallpaper and go to home settings and go to app icon badges and click on app icon badges and do not display. If you select third one, nothing will be shown. Okay, see here, nothing is now showing. Okay, suppose if you would like to keep in numbers only, then go to settings again, then go to lock screen and wallpaper and go to home settings and click on app icon badges and just click on numbers. Okay, so numbers can be seen here. So in this way you can easily customize or change app icon badges in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.